will talk about how can you add promo code on your Pocket Option app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So when you click on photo profile, it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on finance, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on promo codes, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to promo codes, and here you add your promo code here. So then it's going to add with you here on your Pocket Option app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.